All right, guys, we got to get to your volume profiles by request. We are going to start with Mixter HON. So if anyone joined in my Trade the Close room yesterday, it was open for free. And I will tell you that my closers already know I was bearish on HON at the beginning of the week. It's one of those stocks that is on my newly formed secret watch list for a nice sell-off. This was on my bears, and that is why we are seeing HON down to 199. It was an earnings catalyst to bring this lower, but the setup was stellar, and that catalyst brought HON dripping down like honey. All right, next up, AZ Paul. What up, AZ Paul? DBRG. All right, AZ Paul, we have DBRG breaking out of its value area. Digital Bridge is entering a really nice breakout setup here. 1759 is my upside target. We're going to see this one really start to move if we continue above 1495. Let's hold that area, and we're going to see this thing rip very shortly. Next, as I just said, we did open up the Trade the Close room for free yesterday, so all of you guys can join and see this phenomenal approach. You were able to live watch our members use this phenomenal approach that we have created and curated in the Trade the Close room from 3 to 4. It was really cool to watch some new people witness that and see our members, how they make money at the end of the day there. And some of you even participated. We got some newbies that were playing a bombshell yesterday. So that was awesome, guys. Yes, we did have a bombshell last night in Trade the Close. This was us right here. You guys hear me say it every day. We traded this really nice bombshell bear to the downside. And if you guys did make money on that, let us know in the chat if you had some fun. And if you want to join Trade the Close and get more on that action, become a bombshell beast mode trader, you can give Gabe a call or Billy, and we'll hook you up and get you in there permanently. All right, we're going to get on to Chris Johnson. Chris, we just looked at HON to the downside. We were already stalking that one to the downside. DBRG, AZ Paul, looking at that. And any stocks looking good for you with the volatility bands? Chris Johnson.
We lost CJ. He disconnected.
Oh, we did? All right, can we bring Garrett here?
Get him back. Yep.
Okay. Hey, homie.
Hi, what's up?
I'm a G. Hey. All right, Garrett, we were looking at HON to the downside. That was already on my secret watch list. So any closers that took advantage of that earlier this week, congratulations. Also looking at DBRG. This one is set to break out to 17. What are you seeing, Garrett?
That's probably your best play in this environment. Again, you're looking for a relatively short-term pop. Again, I haven't seen it on the bands yet, but I would say, if you see any type of sell-off in the short term, you want to use tomorrow's $17, possibly even $16 call to just kind of ride and try to trade it accordingly. Again, you got to focus on the timing of the trade. Let me see if I can actually pull this up. I'm having some technical difficulties myself. What is it? Yeah, what's going on?
Chris
Come on,
is out
man.
like a light.
DCRG?
DBRG.
All right, DBRG.
Delta, Beta,
digital bridge. Yeah. So we're flat. Yeah, we're flat pre-market. Nothing really going on. This is an interesting stock because it does tend to open a little bit to the downside. But Vaz, let me just kind of show you what I'm looking for here. Let me see if I can pull this up. I can't because I'm going to do something in real quick.
Okay.
For a second. Okay, there you go. Okay. So here again, this keeps happening over and over again. I don't know why, but it's buying the dip. Second Bollinger Band. Wednesday, dip, rip. Here, Thursday, dip, rip. Friday, dip, rip. Monday, dip, rip. Dip, rip. Dip, rip. Like, come on. So just wait a little while today. look for, go on a trading view, throw up the bands. If it hits the second Bollinger Band, trade it to the upside. That seems to be your guiding light, Ravaz. It just seems to be this, again, buy the dip algos, 80 to 90% of trading done by these things in a positive momentum environment. It's going to continue to buy junk on the dip. Go for it.